Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Let's get started. Transferring money between these two digital accounts is a straightforward process, but it does require you to first link your Chime account as an external bank within your Cash App. This connection allows you to securely move your funds from your Cash App balance directly into your Chime spending account. I'll guide you through each step in detail to make sure the process is smooth and easy to follow. First, you need to open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for and tap on your profile icon. This is located in the top right corner of the screen and usually looks like a person's silhouette. Tapping this will take you to your Account and Settings menu. From your Profile menu, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section for managing your linked banks and cards. Look for the option that says Linked Banks and select it. This is where you can view all the financial institutions currently connected to your Cash App and where you can add new ones. On the next screen, to add a new bank, you will tap on Link Debit Card. However, since we are linking Chime directly as a bank, you won't be entering a card number. Instead, look for and select the option that says No Card or a similar alternative that allows you to search for your bank. Tap on this and wait a moment for the next screen to load. After it loads, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Chime. The Chime financial institution should appear in the search results. Go ahead and select it from the list. You will then be prompted to log into your Chime account directly through a secure portal to authorize the connection. You need to provide the email address and password associated with your Chime account. This secure step verifies you own the account and safely links it to Cash App. Once your Chime account is successfully linked and appears in your list of banks, you are ready to transfer money. To do this, return to the main screen of your Cash App, the one that shows your balance. On this screen, you will see a Cash Out button. Tap on it. You will then be asked to enter the amount of money you wish to transfer from your Cash App balance to your Chime account. You can transfer all of it by selecting Cash Out Full Amount or enter a specific amount manually. After entering the amount, make sure to select your newly linked Chime account as the destination. Finally, confirm the transaction and the funds will be sent from Cash App to your Chime spending account. The transfer is usually instant or can take up to a few business days depending on the option you choose. And that is the complete process for how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime.